Now that you know about if statement, nested if else statements, and how to write conditions inside your program and execute the conditional parts. So today we will be learning about another conditional operator, which is a ternary operator, which is denoted by question mark. And it is very simple, guys. Let's say you want to assign some value based on some conditions. So you will write condition first, then question mark or this ternary operator, then your truth part, whatever truth you want to assign to this value, that you are going to write here. And if this condition is false, and that false part you are going to write after colon. So inside this ternary operator there are three major parts. First is condition, and this the second part is truthy or truth part, and the last part is false part. That's why it is known as ternary operator. It contains three main parts. Condition, if that condition is true, then what is going to happen, and the next part is whether this condition fails, then this will be assigned to this value. So let's just see one example here. I'm storing one value based on this condition here in my results variable. So let's say I have one condition something like this: 15 is greater than 10, it is greater than 10, and but I'm asking this question to my JavaScript program, and if this is going to be true, then I will get this output as my result. Otherwise, false part will be printed. So let's just see the output here. So I'm just running this program, and you can see truth part is printed. Now let me just revert this thing. 15 is less than 10, and let's just see what happens. So false part. As we know, this statement is false. This truth will be ignored, and this false part will be executed or assigned to this particular variable. Let me show you another example, which is multiple ternary operators or conditional operator. You can write one condition first. Whether it is true, then you can again check something else, and that particular ternary operator has its own truth part and false part. And if any of this, that means this is wrong, if this condition is false, then this will be executed. So let's just see the result of this. So I'll run this program again. So I'm seeing truth of second ternary. That means first is right, correct? 15 is greater than 10. So we are going to second ternary part here, and we are checking whether 15 is greater than 13 or not. So it is again true, and it is giving me this output. Now just let me turn around here and save this and run. So we can see false of second ternary. That means first ternary gives me true, then it goes inside this and checks again. This results into false. That's why this one is printed. Now let me change my first ternary. So change and run it again. So we can see false of all. That means my first condition is false, then it's not going to check the second condition. So that is how we can use this ternary operator here. So that's all for today, guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.